In this video, we're going to talk about a while loop. Now, a while loop in Python is a type of loop that will continue to run until its evaluation condition no longer equals true. So, in a way, that can become a very dangerous type of loop to write, as if you don't have some kind of evaluation statement that occurs that makes it go false, it will run indefinitely or until your machine runs out of processing and memory power. Now, this can also be beneficial in a way because you can use a while loop to build a service or a daemon that will continuously run in the background. So let's give an example of a really bad while loop. Let's first just set a variable of I equal to 1, and then we're going to create a while loop like this. We're going to say while true, so this one will just continuously run. We'll put the statement, and then we put our bool condition, and then we have to put a colon right here. What we're going to do on the next line, and in Python, we also have to indent, and what we're going to do is hit the space bar 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here, we are going to increment I. So let's do I is equal to I plus 1. So now on the first loop, it'll be 2, the next one will be 3, and so forth. And then we're also going to do print I. Hit enter and hit enter again, and you will see these numbers start to climb. And they will just keep running and running and running. Now, something that's kind of interesting to do is I've got another window open up. I can type top on Linux and start watching what is consuming the processing power on it. And as you can see, the number one thing being executed here is Python 3, and it is continuously climbing in the amount of memory and CPU that it's using. Now, how do we exit out of a loop that's running indefinitely? Well, you could just shut down your terminal and that would end it. You could also hold down Control and then hit C, and that will cause a keyboard interrupt with your while loop. So that's the first kind of loop that you could create in Python. Let's give another example though. Let's give a couple of lines for space. And so something else we could do is say, let's make I equal to 10 in this case. And then we could say while I is less than 20, hit spacebar 4 times. Then we can do I equals I plus 1, 2, 3, 4, print I. Whoops, forgot I am on Python 3, which means you have to pass a print statement through parentheses. And there you go. This time we can see that the loop exited without a problem. It incremented by 1, we got to 20, and then the loop broke free. So that is the very first kind of loop, and you'll see these later in the video, useful for a number of different things. Next video, we're going to talk about what you would call a for loop.